In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. The 14-day trial gives you full access to the premium features. Before you start, make sure your device meets the system requirements for Adobe Illustrator. You can find these on Adobe's official site. Start by clicking the link in the description below. It'll take you directly to Adobe's official site where you can launch your Illustrator free trial. Once you're there, click on Start Free Trial. This gives you access to the All Apps plan, meaning you'll get not only Illustrator but also Photoshop, InDesign, Premiere Pro, and more for 14 days at no charge. Next, you'll choose your subscription plan. If you want flexibility, go with the monthly plan, which lets you cancel anytime during or after the trial. If you plan to stick with it long term, the yearly plan offers a better monthly rate. You'll then need to either log in or create a free Adobe account. Adobe does ask for a payment method to start the trial, but you won't be billed if you cancel before the 14 days are up. To avoid getting charged, it's a good idea to set a reminder on your phone or calendar a day before the trial ends. This way you can decide whether to continue with the subscription or cancel it. After that, Adobe will guide you through downloading the Creative Cloud app. Once it's installed, open it, search for Adobe Illustrator, and hit install. That's all there is to it. You've got 14 days to test drive all the pro features Illustrator has to offer. No risk, no commitment. If this helped you out, please like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials, walkthroughs, and tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing with Adobe Illustrator.